Charlotte, once you get past the bubble paper, there's all sorts of other stuff.
What do you have there, Peanut?
Oh.
That's something from your grandparents in England.
Oh.
What is that, a puzzle?
Yeah, so that's the police got English. Oh, what's this?
Hold it up.
Another.
Hold it up. What is it? My World. Heads and tails jobs.
Oh, I see. I think you move the heads and tails around
Oh, cool.
to age 2+.
What's in her hand? Baby puzzles. Farm.
Oh, we got some more books. We got some fairy tales. Look, some new books.
Oh, we love new books. Charlotte, can you hold it up? Let me see. Why are you shaking everything? What'd you get? Books. We love books.
And tell the time.
Fairy
Mr.
tales
Mint.
and nursery rhymes. What is it?
Charlotte, you gonna tell the time?
I should have had that when I was a kid. I was an idiot with telling the time. What you got, baby? Oh, book.
Oh, what about this one?
More puzzles. Farm animals.
Oh, what's this? No, that's not a horse. That's a cow. Moo. Look, there's a horse. What's a horse say? No. What's this? It's a pig.
Pig.
Oink, oink.
What does a pig say, Charlotte? Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
Oink.
What else do you have there? Want mommy to hold it? Mommy hold it. What else does Daddy have? Daddy has more. What's
Look,
Daddy
it's
have?
got the clock.
Nope, she's happy with that.
Do you want me to open that, Charlotte? Do you want Daddy to open it? Charlotte? You want Daddy to open that?
Charlotte, you want Daddy to open that for you? Give it to Daddy. Oh, you want me to open it?
Daddy will open it.
Here, you can take video.
Ah.
Here, baby.
No, she doesn't want Daddy to open it.
Actually, I need something, Charlotte.
What are you doing? You want to make sure? Charlotte, can you say hello?
Charlotte,
Hello.
say Merry Christmas.
Hello.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Nanny and Granddad. Can you say Merry Christmas, Nanny and Granddad? No? You're not talking?
Oh, no, you want to hold the phone?
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Okay, you turn around. Bye-bye.
Oh, how do I stop it?